गोंयांतल्या 186 पंचायतीच्या सरपंच तशेंच उपसरपंचा खातीर आयज वेंचणूक जातली। उमेदवारी अर्ज सादर करपा सयत वेंचणूक प्रक्रिया आयज पुराय जातली। जोसेफ सिक्वेराक कलंगूट वाठारांत सरपंच म्हणून बिनविरोधी वेंचून आयलो, जाल्यार गीता परब ही बिनविरोध उपसरपंच म्हणून जैत मेळयले। आयकयात।
आम्ही कुंगोटकार म्हणून सगळे एका हितून नेटान आम्ही सगळे एक जाल्या आणि आम्ही आमकां दोगांकूय अनओपोज निवडून हाडल्या। वी हॅव टू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम स्क्रॅच because we don't have any funds for development. So we have to and moreover now 6 months has already passed. Whatever taxes have been collected by the panchayat, it is already spent. So now there is only 2 crores in the panchayat, where I feel that it will be difficult for us to start development as of now. But nevertheless, with the support of my colleagues here, my members, we will go through, and our main motto is to clean Kalangut, garbage free, then garbage free Kalangut first, then we have to have a dengue free Kalangut, and then all the development like football stadium, then market complex. There are a lot of major development like health center. All these things will come under us through the BJP.
कलंगूट पंचायत आमचो कॅन्डिडेट आयचो आमचो सरपंच जोसेफ सिक्वेरा आणि डेप्युटी सरपंच बाय गीता परब यांचे अभिनंदन करता आणि बाकीचे सगळे मेंबर ज्यांच्यानी 11 आमकां तेंको दिलो फुल मॅन्डेट आणि अनओपोज जे निवडून येयले सरपंच आणि डेप्युटी सरपंच यांचे अभिनंदन करता परत एकदा। आमची पंचायत सपोर्टेड बाय बीजेपी अशी जे डेव्हलपमेंट हा ते लोकांची कामां करता आनी अपेक्षा करता आनी मागता लोकां कडेन आमचे जे मेंबरां कडसून बऱ्यांतले बरो त्यांचो फायदो घेवचो आनी ही 5 वर्सां जी आसा ती बरे भाशेन चलोवची।
आयजो दीस एक नवो इनिंग चालू जाल्लो आसा विथ न्यू होप्स, विथ एन्थुजियास्टीक काम करणारे वॉर्ड मेंबर। आमकां पूर्णपणे खात्री आहा जोसेफ सिक्वेराच्या लिडरशिपीन ती पंचायत कालामुता खातीर काम करतली। 11 मेंबर वांगडा आसा। एज ही सेड इट इज पिपल्स पंचायत। सरकाराचो हेल्प लागता थंय थंय आमी बीजेपी भारतीय जनता पार्टी मार्फत कालामुता खातीर कितें बरें कितें करूंक जाय, कितें कामां उरल्या ती आमी करतले।
कुठ्ठाळे पंचायतीत सेनिया पेरेरा सरपंच आणि उपसरपंच दिव्या रायकर वेचून आयली। पळयात। नुवे पंचायतीत फ्रिडा डिसा सरपंच आणि कॉन्साकियो कुलाको उपसरपंच म्हणून वेचून आयले। पळयात।
Just have a wait because
I'm an elected representative of Ward number 4 of Giri Induge. And today I am being elected as the Sarpanch of Village Panchayat Nuve by a panel of 7 members of us. I am very grateful to each and every member who is there present with me here. And I am also thankful to the opposition 4 members who have also made it as a good fight today. Thank you so much. I will never be behind in doing any works of this Panchayat. I have been a ward member here for 13 long years. 13 long years I have always sat on the opposite side. It feels good today after 13 long years that today I am at this position. I am grateful to every member of my panel. Future plan म्हटरी की जालो हा आमचे गेलते टेन्युअर गेलते आमचे फॉर्मर MLA बाबाशानान आमगे एक 5 crores रोडांचो हिंगा एक टेंडर पास जालो आहा एंड द वर्क ऑर्डर इज ऑल्सो बीन गिवन. I will see to it that these roads have been completed. It will be commencing in the month of November. Various other department works have also been pending. We will see that all these works have been completed. It is just a new beginning today. We are all going to be together. It will be working together, which will be a good success to the village of Nuve. I will prioritize on the environment. I will see to it that my nature has been kept clean. Garbage, everything has been collection has been done in timely, every processing, everything has been done in time.